Sri Harisharanam.
Vaikuntha Ekadasi is one of the holiest Ekadasis for Sri Vishnu Narayana. Vaikuntha is not just a place but a state of consciousness where the mind is free from envy, that is Matcharya, where remembrance of God's name flows effortlessly, and where the Lord is served with unmixed devotion. In the Bhagavatam, it is said, Sabai Pungsang Paro Dharma Yato Bhaktir Adhokshaje. Highest Dharma is that which awakens pure devotion to the Lord. Vaikunthaikadasi Stotram. Vaikuntha Dwara Sambhirna Bhakta Chitta Eka Nirmalam Ekadasyang Namam Yadya Narayana Padam Subham. Aham Yache na cha Swargam na pavargam na cha Sriyam Tatpadaswaranang Nityam Vaikunthang me hridi sthitam Nirmatsaranang Basatim Nityam Jatra Janardana Che Vaikadasi Punya Papagni Bhaktidayini Dhruva Prahlada Uddhavo Vishwanarada Evacha Jang Brajanti Haring Bhaktya Tang Namami Vaikuntiking Aramadya Vishuddhena Manasa Me Janardana Udghataya Krupanatha Navasvarana Kunjikam. On this holy Ekadasi, I bow to Narayana, whose Vaikuntha gate opens in the purified heart of the devotee. I seek neither heaven nor liberation nor prosperity, only constant remembrance of your feet, that itself is Vaikuntha within me, where envy, Matcharya doesn't exist. There Janardana eternally resides. This Ekadasi destroys sins and grants bhakti. Dhruva, Prahlada, Uddhava, Bhishma and Narada tread this path of devotion. I bow to that Vaikuntha way. O compassionate Lord, today open your gate with the key of your holy name as my heart stands purified.